Hi, I'm Captain Chris, and recently on a Great Loop forum we read about a cruiser having trouble cleaning out the strainer. Not so much the strainer itself, but the piping to the seacock and the through hull fitting. So instead of going with the typical 90-degree fitting right here, instead of having the typical 90-degree fitting, I advise you to put a T fitting here. So the water will come up and it will go 90 degrees towards the strainer, but we've got this pipe plug where you can unscrew the pipe plug and look down inside of it and see if there's any debris that's jammed inside of this pipe. So in this case you can see there is something. This is actually a piece of paper, but it could be something more like seaweed. If you get a pair of giant tweezers, you can reach in there and pull all of that debris out. And of course I'm making a mess here, but pull all that debris out so that way you can get the debris out. And if you still have trouble with this being plugged up, then because you've got a T, you can use a stick and push it down. Push it down, push it down, push it down, and you can see the handle. This is the seacock handle, so I'll close the handle and open the handle. So if you use a T like this, you can open the top of it by removing this plug and you can access it a lot easier. So it's a little bit of work on your part next time you've got the boat in the boatyard. Replace that 90-degree angle with a T, come over here with your water flow into the strainer, and then the pipe plug up here. If you've got any questions, you know who to call. Ask Captain Chris.